Now students, you can understand what are the sources of collection of primary data. The second data is collection of information is secondary data. Secondary data, you know that it is the data which is not collected directly from the person, that is, it is not collected from the source of origin. There are different methods of collecting secondary data also. Like the method of collecting secondary data is published sources and unpublished sources. Published sources, you know that we are collecting the information from some published material, some from publications, from journals, from newspapers, from magazines, etc. So whenever we are collecting the information from some published sources, it is known as published sources. And whenever we are collecting the data from the government agency or from the data collecting by some organization for their own record, that is known as unpublished sources, which is not published one. So what are the sources of published material, or the published sources are, number one is government publication. You all know that there are different levels of government, like state government and the central government. They are for their own information, for their own record, they are collecting information, and they are presenting the information through their own publications, like government publications. So when we are getting the information, we are collecting the information from the state government or the central government publication, it is known as गवर्नमेंट पब्लिकेशंस. और इनके पब्लिकेशंस में से हम जो भी इंफॉर्मेशन कलेक्ट करते हैं अपनी इन्वेस्टिगेशन के लिए, अपनी इंक्वायरी के लिए, तो इट इज नोन एज गवर्नमेंट पब्लिकेशन. दैट इज द प्रिंटेड वन, दैट इज द पब्लिश्ड वन. मीन्स इसमें से हम अपनी इंफॉर्मेशन को कलेक्ट कर सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट इज सेमी गवर्नमेंट पब्लिकेशन. This is the publication or not from the government, but is from the semi government, like municipalities are there, local governments are there. So that is they are also having their own publications. So this is the publication of semi government. Whenever we are collecting the information from the semi government publications, so this is also one of the source of collecting secondary data. Means आप इसमें जो published material है, जैसे गवर्नमेंट ने अपने कुछ पब्लिश किए पब्लिकेशंस, उन्होंने इन्फॉर्मेशन कलेक्ट की और उसको पब्लिश कर दिया. इवन द सेमी गवर्नमेंट हैज collected the information and he has also published in their publications. So when we are collecting the information from government side, that is state government or the central government, that is government publication. And when we are collecting the information from local government, it is known as semi government publication. Next, a report of committees and commission. Sometimes there are some committees are there, some commissions are appointed for the collection of information, and when they are collecting the information, and after that they will present the information in their publication. So that is also one of the good source of collecting secondary data. That is, we are collecting information from the reports of committees and commission. जब कोई कमीशन या कोई कमिटी जो है वो अपॉइंट की जाती है किसी इन्फॉर्मेशन को कलेक्ट करने के लिए, इसकी इन्फॉर्मेशन को कलेक्ट करने के लिए, तो आफ्टर अ होल इन्वेस्टिगेशन दे आर प्रेजेंटिंग देयर रिजल्ट इन द रिपोर्ट. तो अपनी रिपोर्ट प्रेजेंट करती है जिसमें वो सारी इन्वेस्टिगेशन की उसमें इंफॉर्मेशन होती है. दैट इज इन द पब्लिश फॉर्म, पब्लिश करती है वो, मतलब रिटर्न फॉर्म में होती है. So this is also the good source of collecting secondary data, that is reports of committees and commission. Next is publication of trade association. There are different trade associations are there. Those who are working for their trading purposes, for the welfare of their trade unions, for the welfare of their members, and for their own investigation also, they are presenting their information in their publications. That is the publication of trade association. इसमें पूरी उनकी एसोसिएशन से रिलेटेड सारी इन्फॉर्मेशन हमको कलेक्ट कर सकते हैं कि उन्होंने की इन्फॉर्मेशन इन्वेस्टिगेशन में क्या क्या फाइंडिंग्स थी, क्या क्या उन्होंने उनकी रिक्वायरमेंट्स थी, एंड व्हाट दे हैव कलेक्टेड इन्फॉर्मेशन. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू द पब्लिकेशन ऑफ ट्रेड एसोसिएशन, दैट इज ऑल्सो वी आर कलेक्टिंग द secondary data. Next is publication of research institutions. There are different research institutions are there, those who are completely busy in investigation, and they are completely doing some innovations, they are doing research work, and daily they are presenting the reports also, whatever they have investigation they have done. So they are printing, they are publishing in their publications. So their publications of the research institution, that there are different research institutes, and from their publication we are also collecting the information for secondary data. Next is journals and papers. Journals and papers, you have heard that there are different journals are published, papers are published by some organization, by some committees, by some research institute, or where any organizations. So their own publications, they are presenting the information, they are issuing their journals. पेपर्स आते हैं, जर्नल्स प्रेजेंट होते हैं जिसमें कि बिजनेस से रिलेटेड अदर इंफॉर्मेशन होती है, और बहुत सारी प्रॉब्लम से रिलेटेड इकोनॉमिक प्रॉब्लम्स है उसमें, जस्ट लाइक टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया आर देयर, इकोनॉमिक टाइम्स आर देयर, देयर आर द वेरियस जर्नल्स आर देयर, वेरियस पेपर्स आर प्रेजेंटेड. So when we are collecting the information through these journals, through these papers, so it is also one of the good source of collecting secondary data. Next is publication of research scholars. Yes, in the different research institute, there are different scholars, those who are continuously doing their research work. They are they are busy in collecting information regarding their different researches. They are to carry on different research. तो we have जो scholars है हमारी country में जो research करते हैं, so whatever they have find, whatever they have investigated, they should publish in some publications, so that we are also collecting the information from the publication of the research scholars, that what research they are going on, what research they have done, and what they are planning for future also. So according to the publication of research scholars, we are also collecting information. Then international publications, yes, not only we are collecting the information in our country only, but we are also collecting information from published sources, from international publication also, that they are having the complete information of the world, that is like International Monetary Fund is there, IMF, World Bank, UNO, and they are presenting their information in published form in different publications, journals, etc. So they whatever international publications are there, so that is also a good source of collecting information of the secondary data. So secondary data we are collecting from different published sources. Published sources, you know that there are magazines are there, there are papers are there, journals are there, and publication of government, publication of semi-government, publication of research institute, publication of research scholars, and also we are collecting publications or information from the publication of trade associations. Committees are also presenting the reports. The different committees and commissions are appointed for conducting surveys or information of the particular economic problems. So ये जितनी भी problems की जो findings होती है, we are getting in the published form. ये सब published form में available होती है. So we can collect the secondary data from the information published from these various sources. That is also one of the good source of collecting secondary data, that is in the published form. But students, not only we are collecting secondary data in published form, but there are unpublished sources also. Second is unpublished sources. Unpublished sources, you know that this is not collected. We are not collecting from some written form. That is, there are government organizations are there, governments are there, those who are collecting information for their own record, for their own working, for their own planning, for their own strategies. That is, we are not getting in published form. They are the reports, they are the they have whatever they have collected the information. So from their own records, we can their own records we are collecting the information. That is known as unpublished sources. ये हमें published material में नहीं मिलेगी, बल्कि हमें उनके records में जाके from their organization we have to collect the information. That is known as unpublished sources. So students, secondary data we are collecting in two ways, like published sources and unpublished sources. But you have to keep in mind some precautions in collecting the secondary data. जब भी आप secondary data collect करेंगे, तो secondary data collect करने के लिए you need to have some precautions, that who is collecting these data, that is the agency or the organization, those who are collecting the data must be expert and must be taking proper precautions for collecting the data. He should know the statistical methods of collecting the data. And next thing is that what is the objective of collecting data, why you are collecting that secondary data, what should be the time period, what should be the duration, and what is the objective of the particular information. ये सारी चीज़ें हमें ध्यान में रखनी है एंड ऑल्सो द एक्यूरेसी, कि हम जो इन्फॉर्मेशन पब्लिश सोर्सेज से और अनपब्लिश सोर्सेज से कलेक्ट कर रहे हैं दैट शुड बी एक्यूरेट और नॉट, सही है कि नहीं है, फर्स्ट वी हैव टू चेक द एक्यूरेसी and then only we are collecting the information. So the secondary data we have to collect according to the problem, according to the requirement of the particular investigation, and then we are collecting the information from the different publications, different published sources, and then we are going on, we can carrying on our investigation from the secondary data. Now student, there are two sources of secondary data also. That secondary data we can collect from the census survey. And next is publications of NSSO, National Sample Survey Organization. हम सेकेंडरी डेटा को सेंसस सर्वे से भी कलेक्ट कर सकते हैं, एंड ऑल्सो वी कैन कलेक्ट द इंफॉर्मेशन फ्रॉम द पब्लिकेशन ऑफ नेशनल सैंपल्स NSSO. नेशनल NSSO क्या है? नेशनल सैंपल सर्वे ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. These are the two modes, two methods or sources ऑफ कलेक्टिंग सेकेंडरी डेटा. सेकेंडरी डेटा को कलेक्ट करने के लिए हम दो चीज़ों का भी यूज़ करते हैं. पहला है हमारा सेंसस सर्वे और दूसरा है पब्लिकेशन ऑफ NSSO. सेंसस सर्वे, यू नो स्टूडेंट दैट दिस इज द सर्वे वी आर collecting for counting of the population. That is, through census survey we will have a complete demographic profile of the country. That is, how many persons are there in the country, how many males, how many females, what is the density of population, and what is the literacy level, what is the male female ratio. Everything we are collecting the information from the census survey. That is also in the published form we are collecting. Next is the publication of NSSO. NSSO, you know, the National Sample Survey Organization. Whatever the information collected by the census method, that whole information should be make proper form in by National Sample Survey Organization, that they are having the complete record of the information collected for the population, for the density of population, for the demographic profile, for the economic problems of the country, like whatever problem of unemployment, problem of health issues, and also hygienic conditions, and everything. That means we can collect the information either from the census survey or from the publication of National Sample Survey Organization. So students, you can understand that collection of data, you know, collection of data is the first stage of statistics. That is, when you want to collect the information, data collection. And this collection of information has two types of data, primary data and the secondary data. Primary data has different methods that I have explained. That is direct personal investigation, indirect oral investigations, information collected by the local correspondents, and by the enumerator method. Secondary data is not collected from the source of origin. That is, it is not collected directly from the person, and secondary data we are collecting from published as well as unpublished sources. Published sources and unpublished sources is the best method of collecting secondary data. And secondary data के जो sources हैं और the methods हैं, that is also from census method. Census survey से भी आप collect कर सकते हैं information को, and also from the publication of National Sample Survey Organization, that is NSSO.